This is part 3 of my creek fishing series. In this episode, I'm here with my friend Chase again, and we're going to be back in a couple smaller spots, just kind of all over today. We've got some rubber baits and some worms and grubs. Try to catch something. Alright, so we're coming up on the spot here where episode 2. This is what it normally looks like. Just gonna throw 1 or 2 quick casts, but it's way more full. So we're gonna head down to that shore. Chase can't cast. And try to catch something. And that's a fish. Sunfish. I am. Caught him off a grub. Alright.
That one was bigger than all the other ones.
No, it's pretty big. Alright, let me get this dude. Nice sunfish. Let's catch some more. Moment I turn the camera off, Chase gets one. Mine was bigger, but sunfish. Dude, they've got like this orange coloring on them right now.
Wait. Fish on in 2 seconds.
2 seconds. 1 Mississippi. 2 Mississippi. 2.
Dang it.
2 Mississippi. 2 seconds.
Let's go. And he's on.
Yep, I'm on.
That
What
was
is this? Like
big
number?
creek chub.
Oh my gosh, this is actually a very large creek chub.
Hey, let me get one. Smash.
Alright, creek chub on.
That one's like
This
big.
is the biggest creek chub I've caught.
Let me get some real quick.
Yes, sir.
Hold him on. Hold him on for a second.
Chase got another one. What is that? 3-3?
I came over that rock and just crushed it.
Alright,
And on that right here.
next spot. We are traveling to the next spot. But I mean, just look at these woods. They're awesome. Alright, we're here at the next spot.
Looks good.
This place is huge. Try to catch something. Alright, get my bait figured out. You get hit?
I'm shallow there.
Oh, it's super shallow. Normally this spot's better. Alright, we fished that spot for about 10 minutes. Nothing. We're moving to a better spot. Yeah, we think they were too small because we were getting hit, but they weren't actually getting our baits. So we're moving up to a better spot where there's actually brim and good fish. So that's it right there. This is it. Up here. This is the spot. There's fish. Alright, let's drop the camera. Alright, this is our last spot for the day. Just gonna throw a little dangle. This spot is pretty good. There's quite a few creek chubs. Ooh. Chase got hit. And yeah.
But we got him.
Wait, our rods we're tangled.
Yeah, because you moved your rod in the way.
Alright. Chase is hung, and he just did the throw your rod trick, and now his rod. Chase, you're just gonna have to wade in and get that. Get in there, Chase. Get in there, Chase. Let's go!
This is what was supposed to happen.
Yeah, it's supposed to.
Keep fishing.
Huge snake. Yeah, that's a copperhead, all right. Looks like a copperhead. Hershey kiss pattern. Where was it?
It was right here on the island where I was standing.
That's not good. Yeah, huge snake. That's crazy. There he goes. Well, that was right next to Chase, so he about died.
Literally right here.
Let's catch some more fish. What is that? Sunfish?
Yeah.
Dude, I just got hit. Bro, these fish are like...
Got a giant.
Chase got a big one.
That's the biggest one I've ever caught.
Chase caught another one.
Creek chub.
What is that? Like, that's 14.
I think I've caught just 10 right here.
You're at 8 fish. No, yeah, you're at
10.
You're at 10. I've caught 4. I have not been fishing as much. Also, I have the crappiest bait caster you could possibly imagine, and Chase agrees.
It's not bad.
It's terrible.
It's not.
Then you fish with my setup.
Okay. Give me my, get that out and tie it back on for me, and then I'll see.
Get what back out?
Get this on and tie it
No,
on that.
just give me your other one of those.
Yeah, grab it.
Okay. The creek fishing kit of your dreams, my friend. Let's just pop this puppy open. If you're wondering what he's been using, Chase has been using these.
Don't give away my secret sauce.
Let's go. Finally caught one. Let's go. Finally. Chase just caught a bass. Bruh.
No way. That's the
Dude,
first ever
that's
bass.
epic.
Yeah.
That's the first creek bass.
Yeah, I'm calling Lily.
That's awesome. Let's go. Ripped another one. Nice bluey. No, well, this one might actually be a bluegill. No, it's like a sunfish, I think. That's big. Not bad. Let's go. Alright, y'all, we're heading out. It's getting late. We were ripping them at that spot. I think we caught 17 fish in total. I got 6. Chase got 11. He caught a freaking bass out of a creek. That's crazy. Yeah, quick little teaser. There may be a saltwater series in Georgia coming up. So stay tuned for that. Yeah, that was a pretty good time. Don't forget to like and subscribe.